This is the attempt tool for the menu transcription task. On the left side is the actual menu, along with a zoom control at the bottom so you can zoom in to see the contents of the menu a little bit better. And then on the right side is where you'll actually be transcribing the menu. So the first step is adding all of the categories of the menu, and then from there you can go down and add the corresponding items. And if items have any extras, you can add those, and then of course extras would have underlying options. So I'll just stop here, but to start diving in and adding these items to these categories, you would just click on one of the categories that you added, and then generally speaking this pane is sort of split into two areas. One is information about this thing that you're looking at. So in this case we're looking at the From the Garden category. It does not have a description in this case, so we'll leave that blank. And then this second part is reserved for the underlying children. So in this case, a child of From the Garden category would be From the Garden items. In this case, it looks like it's ridge salad and sunflower salad. So you can add more items with this button, but this category only has two. And then, similar to how we clicked into the From the Garden category, we'll click into each of these items to add details about the item. So for the ridge salad, it does have a description here. I can zoom in to see it a little bit better. And I'll start typing the description. And you'll notice that it actually appears here already for me. There's some suggestions, but it does not have the comma after chopped egg, so I'll go ahead and add that. But it only got the first line, so let's go ahead and add the second line, and then there is a third line here, which it also picked up. Great, so that's the description, and then the price in this case is 9. It does have this optional add chicken, so that would be an extra. We'll call it an add-on, and in this case there's no description. The minimum number of options, there is no minimum, so we'll say 0. And then the actual option is chicken. And then again, we can click into this option, chicken, to add its corresponding details. So in this case, there's no description, but it does cost an additional $2, so we'll add that there. Now, let's go back and start adding details about the sunflower salad. So you'll see ridge salad is already done. It has a description and price, and as well as one extra. But sunflower salad, we haven't entered any details, so let's go ahead and do that. And similar, I could add the description. I'm just going to skip that for now. I'll add the price as 9. And then again, I want to add the exact same extra that I just added for ridge salad. So there is this feature where if you start typing the extra that you want, in this case again we'll name it add-on, you'll see that this suggestion will come up to use an existing extra if it's matching what you're typing. And so I'll click that because it is the exact same as the ridge salad. And if I click into it, I can verify that not only did the information about the extra get copied over, but also its underlying options, in this case chicken, with an additional price of 2. So a couple other features to look out for with this tool. One, at the top you'll see where you are in the menu. So we're in the From the Garden category. This is the sunflower salad. We're in the add-on extra, and this is the chicken option. Note that I can click on any of these to navigate directly to that level of the menu. And then one more thing to point out is that there is this delete button. So if you make any mistakes, let's say we want to delete this item, we can do that, but note that it also deletes any underlying things as well. So in this case, it would be deleting the added chicken extra as well as the chicken option. But that is basically all the functionality for the tool. So you'll go through, annotate the entire menu, and then you would hit submit at the end to submit the task.